Dear parents and students, this is a tutorial video about how to access ERP and its features. You got a message like this from PRO. It includes student ID, password and a link. Click on that link. This is our career book page. Here we can type the student ID and password and then sign in. This is the mobile view of our career book page. Here we have one more option, that is a desktop site or the laptop view. For that, enable the desktop site. And this is the laptop view of career book page. Let me explain all the things with the mobile view. This is the profile page of our child. Here you can see 3 lines on the top. Then click on the lines. Here these are the options available in ERP. The next is a digital library. Digital library includes all the videos. It includes the videos which the teachers are uploading. And then the teachers are showing some YouTube videos during their class time. Then they will be uploading the YouTube link in this digital library. You can download that video from there for the further reference. The next is a class timetable. You can see the child's class timetable here. Next is about the attendance. Attendance also visible here. You can see your child attendance. See, you can select the month and then search. See, this is the June month attendance. Next is the subjects. In subjects, you can see the teacher's name and their respective subjects. Next is the teachers. In teachers menu, you can see the teacher and their subject and their email address and their phone number. All the contact details you can collect it from this teacher menu. Next is about the library. It includes library books and issued books. This feature will be activated shortly. Next is about our progress card. Child's progress card you can download from this menu. There's a progress card. There is an option for downloading the progress card. You will get the progress card of term 1 and term 2 accordingly. We will be adding features in ERP as we go on, and you will be intimated about the same. Thank you for your kind listening. If you need any clarification, please contact our PRO. Thank you.